So today, you'll learn how to edit photos in CapCut. So you can edit photos in two ways. The first is by opening a new project, and then when this menu appears, you want to tap on the category labeled photos. Then you want to choose your image and then tap on add, and you can start editing from there. So this will allow you to add different filters, effects. It'll even allow you to add overlays so that you can combine two images, all sorts of things. So this gives you more options on how to customize it. However, if you want to edit one singular photo without adding anything excess, then there's also the built-in photo editor on CapCut. So what you want to do is simply swipe down to view these different options that are available for you, and you want to tap on photo editor. When you do that, it will automatically open the gallery app with the photos section, and it's up to you to choose the image that you want to edit. So for example, I can choose to select this image here, and then I can tap on add. Once I've done that, you can see a normal photo editor available for you to choose from, to work with. So now you can resize it to your liking. So you can choose the size of the image, however it is that you would like it. If you don't like it, you can just tap on this back undo button, or you can tap on this check mark to save the changes. So now it's up to you to go through the different options and choose how you want to customize it to your liking. Again, if you don't like something, just tap on undo and it will just go back and undo all the changes you've applied. And then you can try again to customize it. You also have this enhanced by AI. So whenever you tap on it, you can now just tap on download and you can start using AI editing tools on your image. So just go through the different options and customize it to your liking. You can even choose to change the background. So when you tap on background and you choose a color and then you tap on the tick, when you try to resize your image like this, you should see a change in the background. So just tap on it again and then go through the different options and tap on the tick. You'll obviously be able to see it if you change the size of the image. So you can see the border has been changed to suit whatever it is that I've just done. So have fun, customize to your liking, and when you're happy, just tap on export and you can now share your photo with anybody directly from your gallery app. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.